Have you been trying to grow lettuce but aren't getting the results that you wanted? Then maybe you haven't watched this yet. Hi everyone, welcome back to Urban Food Forest. In this video, I am going to show you a beginner-friendly and fail-proof process on how to grow lettuce hydroponically, without having to commit the same mistakes that I did. Be sure to watch until the end of the video as I will be revealing the key to a successful lettuce harvest. Lettuce is a very easy to grow, fast-growing, and easy to harvest crop. It is one of the most popular salad greens which can be grown hydroponically all year round. For the main part of this video, let's go right into the procedures in growing our lettuce. Start growing by choosing the right variety of lettuce according to your needs. I used a Boston lettuce variety as I am a huge fan of lettuce wraps. Seed germination should immediately follow. I am sprouting via the coco coir medium today, but other mediums may also be used for sprouting like the paper towel or rock wool. You may select the medium of your choice. Before we start the seeds, be sure to visit our website in the video description below to get access to our friendly community of growers, sharing their tips and tricks as well as participate with our fun weekly challenges. You are watching Urban Food Forest, on with the show. Sterilize some coco coir by immersing them in hot water for 15 minutes. This process will help kill the harmful microorganisms in your grow medium that cause diseases to your plants. Dry your coco coir by manually squeezing out the water or exposing it to the sun. After drying, scatter your coco coir into your sprouting tray. Create a hole per each cell of the tray so that it would be easy for you to drop your seeds. Sow your seeds per each cell and cover it with a thin layer of coco coir. Place your tray under sunlight or grow light and regularly mist it with water. Transferring the seedlings into the hydroponic system might be a struggle to some of you. Hence, I will share some tips and techniques. After 13 to 15 days, your seedlings will start producing true leaves, which is a sign that they are ready to take on the world. Gently pull out your seedlings from the seed tray using a pencil or a stick. Then, gently remove the coco coir on the roots. It will be easier for you to do this when the coco coir is a little bit dry. Get your net cup and fill it with the growing medium of your choice. For this video, I am using clay pebbles to hold my lettuce seedlings and to provide additional support. Insert your seedlings into your net cup and add some clay pebbles on the side. After that, you must follow these steps on how to transfer them to a hydroponic growing container. Insert your net cup to your hydroponic growing container. For this video, I am using these mason jars that I got from our kitchen, but you can also opt to set up using the DWC system, or the wicking action hydroponics. Take note that your growing container should be opaque or covered with materials like cloth or foil so that the sunlight would not touch your nutrient water. This practice will help prevent algae growth that can cause negative effects to your plants. Place water mixed with the hydroponic nutrients inside the mason jar. Follow the right mix as per the nutrients packaging direction. And here are some tips for the most vital part of growing a lettuce, the caring. Place your lettuce in an area where they could get at least 4 to 6 direct sunlight, or 12 to 14 hours of artificial light. Regularly check on the right pH, ideally at 5.6 to 6.2, and the right temperature of at least 45 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Refill the nutrient water as needed. Watch out for pests and bugs that could easily hinder the growth of your lettuce. Use natural pesticides for your lettuce plants. Visit the description down below to know more about the right mix. After the long wait, we go now to the harvesting of the lettuces. One of the great things about lettuce leaves is that you can harvest them at any point of their growth, but ideally when they are at their 4th week of growth and reached at least 3 to 6 inches long. For a successful lettuce harvest, you can just cut the outer and biggest leaves, enough for your daily needs. The inner leaves will continue to grow and give you several more harvests, so you will not need to start planting lettuce from seeds over and over again. Now the only step left to try is to start creating your own. Let me know if you loved this video by hitting on the subscribe button. Also click the bell icon to turn on notifications, and also visit our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy growing! Again, this is your urban food forest. See you in the next videos.